Hello friend, welcome again your own channel. So if you are also thinking about that the pin pattern finger face in my phone should be unlocked somehow, then this video is very helpful for you and very effective for you. So you have to do nothing. I am telling you in this some simple step you have to follow with me, and you can see you can remove any pin pattern finger face lock sitting at home. So get ready to unlock your phone. First, put your phone in flight mode. So my phone is already in flight mode. Make sure your phone in flight mode, because this is fully offline method process. So, and first check your battery percentage, minimum 40 to 50% have to charge. So now you can see the 92% is already charged in my handset. Let's get a start, and you can see at the bottom of the mobile interface, you will be able to see the emergency call button. After swiping this, now you can see emergency call button. You have to press on it. After this, I am going to tell you master unlocking code, which will be master unlock code in this matter of service center. You can also note down this code. I am going to put here 9882478 star 566 and hash. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot. If you want to note down, you can take note down. I am going to zoom here. After that, you have to press call button and press call button minimum 5 times. After that, you can remove this master unlocking code, erase this code, and apply a star hash 899 and hash. You know very well this code about this code. So now you can see engineer mode page is activated now, and now you can see there are so many options coming in engineer mode page. And one thing I'm telling in this code may support in many handset but may not support in many handset. If not support in many handset, please share in my comment section. So I will tell you how to unlock your Android phone. So now there are so many options coming. First, check your software version. So now Android version, my Android version is 12. So come back from this option and click here on manual test, and go the last others option. Now you can see database version and mainboard version. Whatever your Android version or mainboard version, press same Android number. I am pressing 12 times. After that, you come back from this option and press manual test again, and now you can see device debugging page is there. So check proximity sensor test, and there are three options is coming. Press on proximity sensor test and confirm here. After that, we have to check sensor shape test and calibration option, and now you can see gyroscope and accelerometer, both option is are not operated. So first we have to press on it, and one must have to be passed. So now you can see our Android version, sorry, gyroscope is passed. Come back from this option, and now it's turned. Now you can press or rewrite important log test and confirm here. And then now you can see wrong password. It means your handset is reset, your password is reset. Now it's turn to press on. Now it's turn to completing all the whole the process. Our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button. Now you can see. Now you can see, as you can see, friend, phone is unlocked without any application lost, without data lost. Your phone is unlocked. So I hope you guys you like this video. Then you can then see you in the next video. Subscribe our channel, like and share.